Okay. My name is Kobe, obviously. Today I'm gonna be going on the train, and she is the train driver. And we got a switch, and we're driving somewhere, but we're already here. We brought our hoverboards so we can actually do the potential. I want this video to take super long because we're already here at the place. We went on a plane, and then we brought our hoverboards. So we're already here. We're just doing a pretend train. Like we took a train, but we took a plane. So let's get into the video. 3, 2, 1, boom!
Wait, who's there first?
Sorry guys, look at that. Let's go.
Wait, you're the driver? No, you're the driver. Oh, then go.
Oh, sorry, fell. Don't read that. Fell. It's okay.
Wait for my jaw over here. Get on.
You guys, come on, you get to see the front of the train. It's endless.
Bye.
So he does pick up 5 people, and I do pick up 5 people. And we'll see where we are.
Oh my god.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Wait, I'm supposed to do that.
Okay, then I'll hold this. Okay, guys. That's kind of hard. Wait. I'm gonna grab my puppet. I have more puppets, but I'm only using one. Okay, let's go, guys.
Wait, where'd they go? There you are. You guys are taking forever.
Sit here. Gotta go pee. Okay.
Where are they? Alright, bye. Come on.
Wait, Kofi, this is your last one because we're both doing 5. Because it says you did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Oh, there you go. Wait, hold on.
Alrighty, Amaga's turn. Let's see here. And a minute. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah!
Let's go, guys.
Wait, we're back, guys. Let's do this, guys. And you, alright, guys, we're back. Wait, oh, sorry, guys, we were.
Hey Siri, where's my iPhone?
Yeah, so. Zaga. I'm ready. Ooh. Oh, sorry for whistling. Sorry for disturbing you if I disturb you.
back in place.
Ooh, here's a free chair. Yeah, sit down. Ugh, better.
Where are they?
I'm right here. Don't you understand how this is a seat too? All right, come on, guys. Guys, sit down. Wait for the next step. You're taking forever, lady. Stop focusing on your puppet. Sorry, guys. No, guys, let's do the spinning thing. Wait, how many do you have left?
I have like. I'm doing these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is 1, 2, 3. I have 2 more. Because I have to do this one and then these 2.
All right. There you go. Guys, we gotta catch that train. We gotta catch that train. This is last thing.
We did it all.
All right, time for spin.